Good morning, Tinterweb. Got to get out while the weather's good. Going on tour at the end of April. Going to Spain, northern Spain and Portugal. So off to meet one of the guys who's on the trip. Going up to Rivington. Up to the lower barn. I know there's two barns in Rivington, but the lower barn is the sort of cafe stroke wedding venue. So that's where we're heading today. Doesn't open until 10. I think it's about, what is it now, 9:30? People always come over here when they shouldn't do. I'll go right away, watch this situation go as well. So, weather's not too bad. Hopefully, I better not say it even. Oh, and if my subscribers, or anybody else for that matter, hasn't realised, I've got a new setup with the GoPro 10 Hero Black on the chin mount. We've got the media mod that goes with that, which makes it easier really to plug the microphone in. And we've upgraded the Cardo as well to the, what's it called? Not the Bowl, the Edge maybe? The Cardo Edge, which has got the voice recording mode, but I've not figured that out yet. I'm not in a bloody wagon. So the big barn, I think it's called at Rivington, opens at 10. So it's about half an hour away. I suppose I've got to give way. Could have gone there in a flash, but I'm sure these people don't know what the right of ways are. Downloaded a new soundtrack for the tour. I'll tell you what, sometimes you leave music on there far too long. I've been listening to Post Malone forever. The chin mount isn't the best because all this is in the way, isn't it? I think that's why some people have it on top of the helmet, although personally I think it looks a bit stupid. And I've seen the side mounts as well. It just doesn't look practical, it's too unwieldy. That's what was so good about the Ghost XL that I was using. That mounted on the side, but it didn't look unobtrusive. It looked quite good actually, I thought. I suppose I'll get used to the chin mount. It seems to be the way to go. Everybody's got it. Oh, that's where we're going. Sort of Rivington side of Belmont. This is called the Z bends or the S bends. Anyway, from doing my research, Rivington, it's a bit up to the sort of higher barn or the lower barn. We're going to the big barn, which is in fact the lower barn. I'm not too sure. But reading the literature on the website, run by the Salmon family, who have been sorting out weddings since the 50s apparently on there. And it says it's got it says it's got Saxon beams. So I was trying to find out when it was built, but the Saxon period's from about 410 to about 1066, known as the Anglo-Saxon period, or the Dark Ages, or the early Middle Ages. So I don't think it's built in 1066. I mean, it could have been, I suppose, but well, anyway, it's hard to find out exactly. Most probably the cotton industry was big round here, or the milling industry was big. I mean, they weren't picking cotton around here, they were milling the cotton, I'm sure. Anyway, that's about all I know about Rivington. Yeah, they're all going for a hike up to the pike, I would think. That's why this is so good, because people don't think you film them when you've got that here, do they? No, I like that. You're right about the X4. You're bang on. I know. You said you were about to release the X4. No, you have not.
Come on Tuesday. It's coming from China on Tuesday.
You're a shark.
Well, I thought I'll say nothing to him. I'll just turn up with it and he'll go past.
I'll spot it straight away.
But yeah, so I got one. I didn't order one on the right the day after. I didn't know where I'll be waiting.
Remember when they counted it, let's keep it.
One reason only.
Is it outside? Inside?
Yeah.
Spot for two?
Yeah, do you want to sit inside or out?
In
Yes. Do you want menus?
Pump?
Do you want menus?
Yeah.
There you go. Take a seat anywhere you like. You take this.
Oh, thanks. Where do you want to sit? There I go.
So if I bought it off Amazon, because it's sold through Amazon, Amazon have their 30-day guarantee thing, but after 30 days, you're knackered. Whereas if you get it through... You absolute kid.
So we're Batman. Yeah. It is. It's 11:05.
Going on that Rivington Belmont bike is
drive first thing each day.
I wonder why you were dressed like
God.
So So here we are on the tops, heading towards Belmont, and we're going to find a place to pull over. There's a one there on the left now. And that might be the best one to do, yeah. Oh, it's a bit gravel, you know I hate gravel. Yeah. Yeah, I'll go in at an angle as well. GoPro in. Oops, fuck. Yeah, good view from up here. Are we on those cameras? Average speed check area, is it? No. Obviously not. How's it looking? Yeah, I do. Right, so cheers for that, Forrest. That was good fun. Yeah, let us know what's happening tomorrow, and I'll keep an eye on the group, and I'll meet you at the RV point in the morning. Yeah. Yeah. Well, whatever. Well, what's so good about Chester? What does he go there all the time for? That Derbyshire run was great, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Tony is a bit of a chiseler, isn't he? That'll definitely make the video. Of course I am. But you can't hear, you can only hear one-way conversation, so. Cheers for that footage, by the way. Yeah. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye.